this course, you will learn about all-weather tires and their proper application. All-weather tires are a growing category within the tire family, designed to work all year round. All-weather tires sport the three-peak mountain snowflake pictogram on their sidewalls, indicating the tire meets required performance criteria to be considered severe snow service rated and industry approved for winter use. They offer better performance in cold weather conditions than all-season tires. All-weather tires are still a compromise versus dedicated winter tires when it comes to safety and performance in severe winter conditions. All-weather tires are available for cars, trucks, in the light-duty and heavy-duty categories, as well as for commercial delivery vans. How do all-weather tires work? All-weather tires feature specially designed tread patterns, increased siping in comparison to all-season styles, and special compounds designed to stay pliable in cold temperatures. All-season tires start to lose traction at 7 degrees Celsius. As the temperature keeps dropping, the compound hardens to a point which makes them lose all traction. The all-weather tire keeps providing traction well past the freezing mark. Unlike dedicated winter tires, all-weather tires are much more durable when driven in warmer temperatures over the summer months. They provide many of the advantages of an all-season tire with better cold weather abilities. Here, we see sample tread designs of the 4 different tire categories. In Nordic climates, all-weather tires are designed to stretch out 3 seasons, which means you can keep them on your vehicle longer in the fall before switching to dedicated winter tires and reinstall them earlier in the spring, weather permitting. This reduces the amount of wear and preserves your dedicated winter tires, but does not replace them. You still need your winter tires. In areas that experience severe winter conditions, all-weather tires are perfect for clients who stay home if the weather turns ugly, who are retired or drive very little, who are snowbirds and may encounter winter weather when leaving in the fall or returning in the spring, who no longer commute or commute less as more companies adopt remote work, who currently run all season year-round. For areas that experience milder winter conditions, all-weather tires are perfect for clients looking to replace their worn all-season tires or that are searching for better performance and safety in colder weather, who do not want to deal with seasonal tire changes, or who want to save on the cost of 2 sets of tires. Here are some examples for all-weather tires for cars. All-weather tires for trucks. Pickup trucks, being heavier, can better exploit the abilities of an all-weather tire compared to a passenger car. For trucks, all-weather tires are usually symmetrical in design and are often an all-terrain style. Even for trucks, these tires are still a compromise and do not replace the abilities and safety of a dedicated winter tire when facing severe winter weather. Here are some examples of all-weather tires for trucks. All-weather tires are also available for commercial applications, such as last-mile commercial delivery vehicles. Here are some examples of commercial applications for all-weather tires and certain key sizes. MTD will always advocate for the safest available option for customers. We believe a spring and fall changeover between winter and all-season treads is ideal for most customers. There are times when all-weather styles are the right recommendation to meet the needs of a customer.